Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve exercise 14.3. Before solving this exercise, let us discuss some important concept that is related to this exercise. Okay, so here this is a square and this is a rectangle. Okay, so if we want to find the perimeter. Perimeter means the length of this side. Okay, and in case of rectangle, this is the length of this side. If we discuss about the area, area means this side, inner side. Okay, this whole area, this whole inside मतलब जो भी include हो रहा है सभी. Okay, this whole part is called the area. ठीक है, this is the area, this is the area. Similarly, this is the area. Okay, so means I want to tell you the difference, main difference between the perimeter and area. Perimeter means this distance. Okay, and area means this distance. Okay, and perimeter, like I have a box. Okay, I have a box. So if we want the to find out this distance is called the perimeter. Okay, and this inside distance is called the area. Okay, so let us discuss the formula. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, because in rectangle there is two length. One length is this, one is this, and two breadth. Okay, and perimeter of a given figure, कोई भी फिगर हो सकता है, वो ट्रायंगल की शेप में हो सकता है. ठीक है, पेंटागन की शेप में हो सकता है. तो उसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम. सम ऑफ ऑल इट्स साइड्स, इसकी जितनी भी साइड्स हमें गिवन होगी उसको हम सम कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट इज एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज साइड मल्टीप्लाई साइड. Okay, and area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. Okay, so students, please learn these formulas. ठीक है, don't confuse with perimeter and area. Sometimes students write here perimeter of the square and write side multiply side. Please clear this thing that ki perimeter of the square is equal to 4 multiply side. Okay, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, and a perimeter, the formula of the perimeters are different and formula of the areas are different. So don't be confused and do practice, okay, of these formulas. So now start the exercise 14.3. Question number 1 is find the area of the rectangles whose sides are as follows. So first is 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So area of the rectangle is length multiply breadth. We know the formula. So we will apply length multiply breadth. We will apply the formula. So 6 multiply 7 is 42 centimeter square. Similarly, B part 8 meter and 12 meter. So area of rectangle is 8 multiply 12 is 96 meter square. C part is 3 meter and 20 centimeter. Here is meter and here is centimeter. So first of all we will convert the meter into centimeter by multiplying it with the 100. So 3 multiply 100, that is 300 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Now the area of the rectangle is 300 multiply 20, that is 6000 centimeter square. Similarly we will do the part D, that is here 2 kilometer and 500 meter. First of all we will convert 2 kilometer into meter. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 2 meter is equal to 2000 meter. So area of rectangle is 2000 multiply 500 is equal to 10 lakh meter square. Now question number 2, find the area of the squares whose sides are as follows. So first side is 15 centimeter. Area of the square is side multiply side. So 15 multiply 15 is 225 5 centimeter square. Next is B part, 6 meter. Area of square is 6 multiply 6 is 36 meter square. Next C part is 2 meter and 20 centimeter. First of all we convert meter in centimeter, so it is 2 multiply 100 plus 20, so 220 centimeters. So area of the square is 220 multiply 220 and it is equal to 48,400 centimeter square. And D part is 5 kilometer, so area of the square is 5 multiply 5 is 25 kilometer square. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you.